Understanding carryover in addition. Carryover is a method used in addition when the sum of a column is more than 9. Since each column in addition can only hold one digit, 0 to 9, if the sum is 10 or more, we carry over the extra digit to the next column. Kid-friendly explanation. Imagine you have a box that can only hold up to 9 toys. If you have more than 9 toys, you need to carry the extras over to a new box. In addition, when we get a sum over 9, we carry the extra number to the next place value. Place value review. Why it's important. Kids need to understand place values, ones, tens, hundreds, before they can fully grasp carrying over. Place value shows us the worth of each digit in a number based on its position. Ones place holds numbers from 0 to 9. Tens place represents groups of 10. For example, 1 in the tens place means 10. Hundreds place represents groups of 100. Step-by-step guide to carrying over in addition. Let's work through an example. 57 plus 26. Step 1. Write the problem in columns. Write 57 on top and 26 below it, lining up the ones and tens places vertically. Step 2. Add the ones place. Add the numbers in the ones column first, 7 plus 6. The sum is 13. Since 13 is more than 9, we write down the 3 in the ones column and carry over the 1, representing 10, to the tens column. Step 3. Add the tens place, including the carryover. Now, add the numbers in the tens column, 5 plus 2, and then add the carryover 1. 5 plus 2 plus 1 equals 8, so we write 8 in the tens column. Answer. The final answer to 57 plus 26 is 83. Visual explanation of carryover. Draw 57 as 5 bundles of 10 and 7 single blocks. Then draw 26 as 2 bundles of 10 and 6 single blocks. When adding the ones, 7 plus 6, we get 13 blocks, so we group 10 of them into another bundle, showing the carryover into the tens place. Visual explanation of carryover. Use a number line. Start at 57 and move up by 26 in steps, first adding the ones and then moving to the tens. Hands-on practice with carrying over. Using base 10 blocks or counters, kids can physically count out the numbers using base 10 blocks or counters, regrouping them when they reach 10 and placing the extra 1 in the next column. Example activity. Write down problems on paper and let kids use blocks to practice the addition and carryover process. Common mistakes and tips to avoid them. Forgetting to add the carryover. Kids sometimes forget to add the carryover number to the next column. Remind them to always check if they've added it in each step. Common mistakes and tips to avoid them. Placing carryover in the wrong place. Practice placing the carryover at the top of the next column so they don't get confused. Common mistakes and tips to avoid them. Example practice problem. Try 68 plus 35. Walk through the steps, especially emphasizing the ones column with a carryover to the tens. Practice problems for reinforcement. Example 1 to 76 plus 48. Add the ones, 6 plus 8 equals 14. Carry the 1 to the tens, and write 4 in the ones. Add tens, 7 plus 4 plus 1 equals 12. Write 2 in the tens and carry over the 1 to the hundreds. Answer, 124. Practice problems for reinforcement. Example 245 plus 27. Add ones, 5 plus 7 equals 12, carry 1 to the tens. Add tens, 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals 7. Answer, 72.